How to give access control rights to the IT team? Simple. First, select the user you want to assign access control to. Click on the three dots, select the User Rights. A pop-up will open for user access control with the selected username. Now, select the member you want to assign access to, or choose All if required. Choose the access level as per your requirement. You can also grant access to a particular module if needed. Based on your selection, the assigned assets and access levels will be visible to the IT user after login. Carefully review the access control settings, then click on the Save button. User rights will be updated successfully. The user can log in using their registered email ID and the default password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After login, the dashboard will open. You will be able to see only those modules for which access has been granted. In the Asset Management module, you will be able to perform only those actions for which access has been assigned.